Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Meadow Park Elementary School in Irvine, California, home of the Mustangs. This is my third visit to their campus for this school year. Another great morning and early afternoon. The focus for today's message was positivity, and the sub-theme, like you see on the screen, was be your best self. And in lieu of state testing coming up next week for 3rd through 6th graders here at the elementary, this was a great and very timely topic. So when we're talking about positivity, it's very easy to be negative, right? That's human nature. And it's easy to be positive on days like today, though, when the sun is shining outside. But on days when it's kind of cloudy, not the best weather, raining, cold, of course, sometimes we have more of a negative outlook, right? The same thing can happen with what's going on in our hearts. And if there's a storm in here, then it's not always easy to maintain a positive mentality. But that's why I wear this shirt for the particular program today. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. If you're feeling down, looking down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. When we're talking about positivity as well, this means having a positive attitude everywhere in your life and with everyone in your life, right? Easier said than done, of course. A lot of times we focus on our mistakes or our failures, but even if we fail, that doesn't make us a failure. If we make a mistake, that doesn't make us a mistake, right? The opposite of success, unlike what many people think it is not failure, it's quitting or it's giving up, right? We can fail again and again and again, but if we give up and stop trying, then we have no chance to succeed. But if we keep going, keep persevering, keep pushing, persisting until success happens, then all of a sudden we sort of reframe our mind. We kind of retrain our brain to focus on what we want more of, right? Which is positivity. And we also know that being our best self, true excellence, it's not about always being the best, right? It's just about doing your best. And a lot of students came up to me after the programs today, even out on lunch break, recess, just coming up to me saying, hey, that really meant a lot to me to hear that, because so many times we compare ourselves to others. That's the quickest road to unhappiness. That someone's better than me at this, or they got a better grade, or they got a better placement for a race or a trophy, a medal. I didn't get one. I don't think I'm as good as that person. But it only comes down to yourself, right? To just compare yourself to yourself. That you can do your best, then rest. You don't always have to get 100%, get first place. You just do your best. Each and every moment, be the best version of who you are and do the best you can. I think the students really got that today. There was a lot of pin drop moments in both sessions for the grades 1 through 6 that I presented to here in the activity center. And this understanding, a deep understanding that these moments that are difficult, certain testing, school, grades, the pressure that's in our lives, at home, in our general day-to-day operation, of course, we can get down, we can, really feel defeated, but we always know that these are opportunities that can make us stronger. These challenges, yes, they might be very difficult, tough situations that we're trying to get through, but we can be better because of it, right? And that gives us the hope to keep going, to keep striving, to just work hard, to give the effort. And if we do give that effort, our best effort, usually 9 times out of 10, maybe 10 times out of 10, we are gonna get the outcome that we want eventually. And it might take a little bit longer for some of us, like it does when we first read a paragraph and don't understand it right away, so we gotta retry again and again. That's okay. Or when we do a math problem, some of us can do it in 30 seconds or like that. Some of us it takes 10 minutes, but that's okay as well, right? That as long as we, again, keep going, it's all the adults here at this school in our lives, the teachers here at Meadow Park want from us is to keep doing our best, right? And if we can do that, if we can help each other, support each other in the process as well, that we work better together as a team, then we're gonna really not just make this community a brighter and better place, but we're gonna be feeling a lot better in here and in here. Whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's gonna believe, right? We don't wanna tell it something negative, we wanna tell it something positive. And knowing that we are the people that we're gonna speak to the most in our lives, ourselves, of course we wanna make sure it's something that is going to build us up instead of bring us down. To get rid of those negative beliefs, those limiting doubts, and step into our potential, our worth, our value, which also ties into this topic, this life lesson that I bring up in every program because it's so important to me. But the fact that we're all miracles. Some of the students had theirs traced today with the lines on their hand, on their palm. The M, of course, miracle upside down, W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And when we buy into that, really truly believe it consciously, wholeheartedly, now it's our job to go out and be that light to other people's hearts in this world. That's in a nutshell what this day was about, what I was trying to impart on their hearts when we talked about positivity and being our best self. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great seeing you, my third time now this school year. Hope to be back again next year. Until then though, keep shining your light, keep giving your greatest effort each and every day, each and every moment. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.